Good morning, village. We back with another episode of Jedi Learning, and we are on episode 2 of Astronomical Gardening. So today the plan is simply to take all of this dirt that you see here that's wrapped up with the grass that we flipped over, shake it out back into the garden so that the garden has the dirt back, and then take all that old grass and then just go ahead and dump it in the bin that you see behind me. By doing that, we have let the dirt dry out so the grass comes off nice and loose. If you remember when we first did it, it was kind of wet outside. It all came out in clumps. So now we can avoid all of that. And once we get it in there, we can make it nice and even, and then we'll start to get to the rows after that. So watch this. So as you can see, I got my protection this time, especially digging in this dirt. Who knows what you might find up in this wildlife. So here we go. Ready? Now, today we are in the sign of Aries with the waning crescent moon of about 9%. So you can tell where we are astronomically as we begin to prepare our garden. But as you can see, things are going nice and smooth. And as we speed it up, the process is exactly the same. Just grab a piece, take it over, and just crumble it. Make sure all that nice rich soil goes right back into your garden. Throw any excess away that you may not need because it's highly unnecessary. You can make some mulch with that if you choose to do so. But if you just think it's crabgrass or something that isn't very good for your garden, just go ahead and get rid of it. Nothing wrong with that. Now you can see that the dirt just crumbles, falls right off, right on into the garden. We don't have to put forth much effort. It doesn't take too long. Just depends on how much dirt you want to put back in. Remember, we're going to put more soil on top of this. So it's not like you have to get every single piece of dirt that you took out right back there, because you're going to put more nutrients back in there. But you just want to get as much as you can of the original soil, because it has all those micronutrients and everything else that you need that's already in there that helps you grow big, strong, gigantic food. And as you can see, when we start to harvest, this food does get pretty gigantic if you let it. Now look at this here. The sun decides to come out and I have a long sleeve shirt on. So I'm gonna wrap this up, but the process is still the same. Just shake off any excess dirt back into the garden and throw any extra material away that you don't want or don't need. This is Bobby Kenwoud, and we've done Astronomical Gardening, episode number 2, and we'll be back. See you soon.